sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're kind of alike.
So, I guess this is the first day of the Christmas diaries that I'm going to do on my channel. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to pull this off kasi I'm kind of a bit shy to vlog and to talk to the camera. And I'm alone. And ang daming tao. So, dito ako ngayon sa Shangri-La. Because, pupunta ko na Mega Mall para bumili ng mga kailangan ko. So, I need to buy a new foundation, facial wash, and pang-ahit ng kilay. And ang layobi dito pa sa Mega Mall. Kasi, sa Tuesday may pasok na ako ulit. So, wala na akong gagamitin na foundation. And I need foundation for everyday life. So, I decided to go today since tomorrow pupunta kami ng Divisoria. So, ayun. Ayan, I decided to stop here at Banapol to have my favorite. Yeah. It's my favorite Manofi pie. Yeah. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano sasabihin ko sa mga vlogs. I'm not used to it. Sobrang traffic papunta dito Sobrang traffic. Kahit na merong bagyo, ang daming tao. Even here sa shop. So yeah, I'm being very awkward right now. Ciao. Kita na lang tayo sa Mega Mall.
Lighter tuloy tignan nyo namin ito.
Sige, yun na lang. This is what I'm going to get. Walnut. Bili tayo ng aking facial wash. So, I'm going home from Mega Mall. Yun lang talaga yung pinunta ko dito. To buy foundation. Well, nakakagulat kasi sobrang daming tao kahit na may bagyo. So, I think walang makakapigil sa mga tao para mag-shopping for Christmas, I think. And it's so awkward to film, to vlog dun sa mall kasi yung daming nakatingin. Actually, hindi naman sila nakatingin, but like, you know, the anxiety of vlogging and people judging you for vlogging. Eh, bakit ba? I don't want to, oh my gosh! I don't want to regret not vlogging things. Lalo na ngayong Christmas. I failed last year. And yun. Ang lakas ng hangin. Papagalitan ako ng nanay ko neto. Sabi niya sa akin, bakit ka pa ba pupunta doon? Lakas-lakas ng ulan. Ba't daw hindi na ako bumili sa Tuesday? Eh may pasok na ako noon and wala akong gagamitin na foundation. So, I need to go. And sakto pa na walang GRWM sa Cubao. Kung meron na sa Cubao, sa Cubao na lang ako, diba? But yeah, walang GRWM doon. Nakakapagod pa na mag-vlog. Nalalakad di. Okay. Punta na lang ako ng SM. Doon ako bibili ng treats ni Ziki. Eh, hindi ko alam kung available yung shuttle nila dito. Pero kung hindi, maglalakad na lang ako. So, yun na naman yung kailangan kong bilhin. Tapos uwi na rin ako. Okay. Let's see if merong shuttle today. Sana meron. Kasi umuulan. And malakas yung hangin. So, yeah. Let's go.
So instead I sing this song to time again go to my reality, foolish and wrong. But you always keep a fake into my mind, guiding me back ashore. Darkest day.
Wala po eh.
Mag-vlog kayo.
Opo.
Para maalam namin. Paalam.
Jamaica Tipo sa YouTube. Thank you! My social anxiety could never. Inaskera kung ano yung YouTube channel. So we're here at dito tayo sa Divisoria. Ay, Divisoria. And bibili na kami ng Christmas tree, Christmas ornaments, pang regalo, gano'n. So far, nabili pa lang namin mga pang regalo. Pero may nakita na kami Christmas tree. So babalikan na lang namin yung mamaya. And kasama ko ang tita.
Christmas carols down the street, snowflakes on the graceful tree, underneath the mistletoe, my teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home? Baby,
Ayan, tapos na kami bumili ng Christmas tree. Mga ano na lang, mga pangregalo na iba. Pero meron na rin nabili na iba. So kumakain na kami ngayon dito sa Mang Inasols. Wow, so pretty!
so much joy that we'll have. Gonna share the gift of love. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather be. Keep me warm this holiday. Will you be here?
I'm just going to show you guys yung mga binili namin. So, di ko, ano na lang to, random. Yan, ito, bumili ako ng balls. Ay, actually, ito pala sa Shopee pala to, B. Shopee yan. Nakalimutan ko how much. And then, here is, table mat na gusto ng nanay ko pang Christmas. Tapos, bumili rin ako ng curtains, Christmas curtains, para dito siya. Dito namin siya ilalagay. Para feel na feel ang Christmas kapag nandito ka sa sala namin. And then, ito nadaan lang to namin. Kasi kailangan ko ng undergarments kapag nagsusuot ako ng mga, may dress kasi ako na parang kita yung cleavage. Ayoko ng ganun. So, I bought this tank tops. Black and white. So, 50 pesos lang to. So, yun. Bongga. And then, bumili rin kami ng pillowcase. Christmas pillowcase na match dito sa ating curtains. Para sa Christmas, very Christmassy. Wow! Yan siya. 4 lang yung binili namin kasi 4 lang naman yung pillows namin dito sa sala. And then, pabili nanay ko ng ganito, Merry Christmas daw. Lalagay doon sa pinto. And fruit basket para sa New Year. And then, this Merry Christmas banner from dun sa mall ko na to binili. Parang 200 kaya to nabili. And para to dun sa Christmas party namin sa for my friends sa Antipolo. So yan, bumili na ako para isahang gastos na lang. Okay, and I also got foil curtain para may background. Okay, so yung bet ko talaga ngayon na Christmas tree. Before kasi yung Christmas tree namin is very color-coded. It's either nagkaroon na kami ng blue Christmas tree, meron kaming red and gold, merong red lang, merong basta yun, very color-coded. But this year, I want it to be very vibrant and very makulay. So, I decided to go for the vintage Christmas tree or, ano man tawag nila doon? Tacky Christmas tree. So, yun yung vibe na gagawin natin today. Yung parang kahit anong kulay, kahit anong design, yun yung ilalagay mo. Basta, ganun siya. I'm just going to put a picture na lang para for your reference. So, bumili ako ng maraming makulay na Christmas balls. So, we have pink ones. Ito yung mga gusto ko na Christmas decorations, Christmas ornaments. Yung mga kakaiba. Ayoko naman masyadong maraming circles or stars and everything. Gusto ko naman kakaiba. So, I got this, anong tawag dito? Crane ornament. And alam ko 50 pesos lang to. And then we have this cake naman na ornament. And feeling ko 50 lang din to. Ang ingay ni Kuya. And then, bumili rin ako ng maliit lang na Christmas ornament din. This one is 35. Alam ko kasi sobrang mura lang nito kasi yan lang siya. Madami siya pero maliit lang. So, 35 pesos yung bili ko dyan. Ito, nasama ko na yung ibang nabili ko sa Shopee. Ito, binili ko sa Shopee. Yan. But, I don't quite like it kasi masyadong malaki. Akala ko maliit lang siya. Yung mga ganyan. So, yarn. And, bumili rin ako ng snowflake na parang rose gold yung color niya. So, ayan. And then, bumili na rin kami ng mga pangregalo. Ay, ito pa pala. Ay, ito, binili ko lang ito sa Shopee. Angel naman to. Angel. So, bumili kami ng mga pangregalo. So, very briefly ko lang papakita. Ipit. Laruan. Na very affordable. I also got turn to na damit. So, di ko na papakita. Yan ako naman. Ayan. Laruan. Damit ulit. And then, headbands, which is very affordable din. Parang ito yata, 70 pesos. So, pwede mo ito ibigay dun sa mga nangihingi lang. Like, hindi mo naman talaga inaanak. Like, gusto mo lang bigyan. So, ito siya. Medyo maingay sa labas kasi maingay dito sa street namin. And then, this bag. So pretty. Pang regalo. Bonggang-bongga. Kasi maganda naman yung quality niya. And maganda rin yung design. Diba? Very cutesy. And may isa pang bag. I forgot pala to. Ito naman, what do you call this? Container para sa flour. Meron pang isa, hindi ko alam kung saan nilagay yung parang tatluhan siya. And bala ko, lagyan yun ng baking powder, baking soda, at saka cornstarch. So, dito naman lalagyan natin yung flour. Kasi ang gulo ng kitchen namin. Lalo na't mahilig ako mag-bake ngayon. Ngayon lang. Ngayong Christmas. So, that's it. Happy Saturday, I think. So, hindi ako siya nag-vlog today. Actually, alas 3 na. So, wala na masyadong vlog today kasi wala na nang ginawa, B. So, pumunta lang ako kanina ng Mr. DIY at saka sa Anson para bumili ng mga nakukulang ko sa Christmas tree. Kasi hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nakatayo yung Christmas tree ko. So, bumili ako ng Christmas lights na different colors. So, yun na naman yung sinadya ko talaga doon. And pupunta ako ng Mr. DIY na bagong bukas. Nakabili rin ako ng 2 ornaments, which is gingerbread. I'm going to show you later. So, yun na naman ginawa ko. Tapos, nag-edit lang ako and everything. So, ngayon, dumating na yung mga parcel ko na inaantay ko. Mga B. So, I've got this. Naghanap kasi ako ng green na damit. Excuse lang din pala yung gamit ko dyan. Medyo magulo. Hindi pa ako nag-aayos ng gamit ko. So, ayan siya. So, ayun. Meron kami Christmas party next week, which is November 28. So, yung damit namin doon should be color green. So, wala akong green na damit. B, nakikita mo ba yung colors ng damit ko? Pink, blue, white, black, at saka may onti akong red and yellow. Pero hindi ako mahilig sa green. Kasi hindi ko bet. So, bumili ako ng damit sa Shopee. So, let us see. Ito, I truly like this style kasi meron tong anik-anik. However, hindi siya green eh. 'Di ba? Hindi to green. Para siyang blue. So, ayun. Kaya dalawa yung binili ko kasi hindi ako sure dito. So, ayan. So, ito, green na green naman siya. So, feeling ko ito na lang susuotin ko. Okay. Bumili lang ako ng parang shirt. And then, susuotin ko na lang siya. Ayan, feeling ko pretty naman to. Suotin ko siya together with my, what do you call that? Skirt. So, I'm going to show you. Suotin ko lang to. Wait lang. So, this is the top. So, suotin ko lang to. Ano lang, very simple lang tayo sa Christmas party. Kasi, ayoko na masyadong gumastos for just one day. And namin kong a-attend na Christmas party. A Christmas party ako with my friends from my previous work. And then, etong Christmas party na to, which is sa department namin. Tapos meron pa kaming Christmas party sa buong company. So, I don't want to spend so much money. So, yun lang siya. Very simple. Tapos meron siyang pa-stick dito. Tapos mag-ano na lang ako. Rubber shoes. Or sneakers. So, ayun siya. I don't know if it's giving. It's giving nothing. So, I think mag-aan na lang tayo. Mag-accessorize. Let us see if masisave pa siya ng pag-accessorize. Hello. It's me you need to track. Okay. So, let's see if masasalba siya nitong necklace. Pero wala na akong magagawa. B, ayoko nang bumili pa. Kaya bumbum na to. Papagandahin na lang natin. Oops! Uy, parang pretty. Ayan. What do you guys think? Kasalba ba? Tapos mag-aan na lang tayo. Ihiko tayo ng banggahan ba tayo? Should I do this one? I don't quite like that. Is it cute? Is it cute? Tell me. with my hair down. Ganda ba? Saan natin ilaw dito? Parang madilim. Ayan! Carry boom boom na ba yan? Carry boom boom na ba yung damit na yan? It's giving simple, but it's cute. Parang pretty naman. Hindi lang talaga sa akin, feeling ko hindi sa akin bagay yung green. Ano ka bang pinarlit ko dito? Ito lang yung dressy ko na necklace. I think it's giving naman a very light. Kasi ito, I'll show you what love is. Saka may sipon ako today. Actually, nakita niyo naman sa previous days na bumibili ako ng gamot sa office. Kasi nga, I'm not feeling well. Ito siya. Diba? Mukha siyang simple, pero kasi, yan na siyang ganite. Yan. So, pero kasi hindi to green eh. Diba? But let's try lang for the sake of it. It's not giving. Siyempre kapag meron akong ganito eh, hindi na ako necklace. Pero parang mas bet ko yung isa. Hindi ko masyadong bet. At saka see-through siya. Don't like it. Okay. So I think this one is better. So, feel ko mas gusto ko to. Just because, wala, mas maganda siya. Mag-necklace na lang tayo ng bonggaan. Charan! Okay. Diba? Very cutesy. Let's ask the mother what she thinks about this. Okay. So, it was a yes from the mother. Pero, actually, bet ko na siya. Gusto ko na lahat. This one, I don't think so. Baka hindi nila ako maghikaw or yung maliliit na lang na higaw. Kasi OA na tayo sa necklace. So, yun! Ayan yung bahay ko.
Maybe I couldn't
Ito
fall
yung pet mo,
asleep again. Been
Hindi siya
overthinking all the
maglalakad.
little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night. I wish that I wouldn't think instead.
Friends kayo,
The
Siki.
sun's up and I got things to do, but I don't think about
Andito ulit ang Tita Mars. Tita Mars, ang pangit ng quality ng camera kasi ang heavy. Okay lang yung pangit rin ako ngayon. Fits lang kami.
Cause I've been just a night all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. I stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna miss a minute on the basics.
Hey guys, so for this special vlog, I decided to share a verse every week, which will be called Verse of the Week, every end of the vlog. So today I'm going to share to you guys one of my devotions this week. So it is Acts chapter 12 verse 5. It says, "But while Peter was in prison, the church prayed very earnestly for him." So, backstory lang dito. This is the story of when Peter was in prison and yung church, pinagpipray talaga siya earnestly. Tapos after nun, nirescue siya ng angel. And at first, akala nga niya it's just a dream, but it turns out that it was true. So, after that, pumunta siya dun sa mga friends niya dun sa church. And they were very bewildered to see him there. So, ayun, it's just nung nabasa ko to, ito yung tumatak sa akin na verse because it just proves how powerful prayer is. So, parang if you have really great company and if you have wonderful friends or family, it is truly amazing kapag pinagpipray ka nila. And not only that, but to feel the love. Kasi, you know, when you pray for someone, it just means that you truly care. Parang, alam mo yon, even though you can't give anything to that person personally or like through actions or things, physical things, hindi mo mabigay, because short ka rin or something, or any other reasons why you cannot help physically, you can still help them by praying for them for whatever problem that they are going through. And isa rin yun sa pinagpipray ko sa sarili ko, na I hope there are people who are also praying for me, because I know how powerful prayer is. So ayun, it just really spoke to me how powerful and how important prayer life is, not only for ourselves but also for the other people that we truly care about. So yun, I just want to share that, and I hope that you guys are blessed with that first. So yeah, thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!
Have you been? We're on our way to Central Park again. Lie under blue sky, sun